Recently, Capcut moved all the free features we love to pro version. We all know Capcut is one of the best video editing apps as it has lots of features and is easy to use. Come close, let me show you how to use Capcut Pro for free. Be sure to like and save this video because you'll need it later. Let's go into it. So download the video you want to edit into your CapCut. Now I've downloaded mine. I want to add captions to my video. If you want to learn how to add captions, I have another video on that. I will link it at the end of this video so that you can watch how to add captions. So once I click on the caption, you see that generate caption, it has pro on it, which indicates that it is a pro feature, which means if you don't pay for it, you cannot use it. I'll go and add to add the automatic captions and allow it generate the caption. It has generated the caption. So you see at the top, you see pro there. That indicates that you've used a pro feature. So when you want to download it, it will not export it, you cannot. So now this is what I'll do. I'll just click on this sign here. Once I click on it, I will screen record the video which I've already generated automatic captions. I will screen record it, play it from beginning to the end. If your phone can't screen record, you can actually download a screen recorder so that you can use that feature to screen record all on your screen and this video. So I'll just go ahead, play it to the end. Once I'm done, I'll now export it, then import it back to CapCut, and I select the aspect ratio. Now I want it to be a YouTube video, so I'll click on that YouTube 16:9 ratio. Then I'll just adjust it to fit the screen. Now you can see the captions showing on my video and there is no pro version at the top again. So now I will now export that video. I will now export the video. Once I click on export, you can see it just is exporting without showing me a need to pay for the pro version. So you can use this method to use any of the CapCut Pro features without paying anything for it. Any pro features, voice enhancing, all the pro features on CapCut is now free to you if you use this method I just showed you. It's so amazing and useful. So I've tried it with my captions and I've tried it with other features, and it will export to you for free without any payment. So if you like this video, if you found value, why not like, share, and save this video for later because you may need to come back and go through the process again. And don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and help my video to get out to more persons that will benefit from it. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. And trust me to bring you more tutorials around how to use apps, video editing, branding, social media growth secrets. Trust me to bring you videos on it. So all you need to do is hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to the channel, so you'll see all the videos that come up that you really like and you benefit from it. Thank you.